You're okay, Laura. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Say hello, Laura. Come here, Isaac. It's okay, Isaac. It's okay. It's okay. You're not gonna fall. You're not gonna fall. You're very secure. You're very secure. Okay, I'm gonna put you back down. Come here, Bortus. Bortus is looking good. Bortus is looking good. Little Bortus. Little Bortus. Little Bortus. Come here, Topa. Hey, little Topa. Little Topa. Here, Topa. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Oh, you have teeth now. Oh, yes, you have teeth. You're gonna bite me? This is Mr. Fluffy, beautiful, soft-furred Lamar. Okay, Mama, you need your paws worked on. Where's the paw medicine? Here's the paw medicine. Here's the thing about Mercer's paws. When we first got Mercer, the day she arrived, her toe pads, which by the way should be pink, were all black and crusty and rough. She felt like she had dog paws instead of cat paws. She had been living outdoors, I think, on gravel or asphalt or concrete or something. Her paws were scabby and rough and dirty. And now look at these little paws. We're still working on them. They're still very rough. Look at that paw. See, they're pink now. All the grime and dirt has come off of those paws, and now they're beautiful, getting soft little paws. So every day she gets a foot massage with some Vaseline to soften her little paws up. We use Vaseline. They say you can either use Vaseline or olive oil. We used vegetable oil at first, but that was fairly drippy and messy. So now we're using Vaseline because, as you know, kitties are going to lick their paws. So we want to be sure we don't use anything like hand lotion that has ingredients that might make her sick. See that paw? It's hard to tell whether or not see that paw has a big nasty place on it. It almost looks like melted asphalt, like she walked last summer on hot asphalt and it stuck to her feet and never came off. Poor little thing. We're trying to get her paws back to soft because she's going to be living indoors, we hope, where she'll never have to worry about scraping her paws and getting them all scabby and rough again. You like this, don't you? She likes getting a paw massage. Okay. We're using a towel in the kitten box now, thanks to John from Foster Dad John's The Critter Room, which is another webcam you can watch. I don't think he has any kittens right now, but I'm sure he'll be getting some soon. Anyway, he suggested that for the kittens who are having trouble standing up and walking, i.e. Bortus and whoever this 3-spot kitty is here, Topa. Your Topa having problems with their legs splaying out, is to use a towel so that their little back feet can gain purchase on the rough surface of the towel, which is better than just using a smooth blanket. So we're going to try that in addition to taping their feet and legs up to give them a little more stability on their legs. See, he can kind of toddle around there. So we're going to leave this tape and brace on their back legs for at least a couple of weeks and see if that helps. The others are wobbly, of course, on their feet. I mean, they're 3 weeks old, so they're going to be wobbly. But they can stand up and walk, whereas Topa and Bortus really can't even do that. Anybody that's looking for a medium-haired, solid black kitten, this is your boy here. Mr. Lamar, he has medium-length fur, and he's very soft and velvety, and he is a solid shiny black. He does not have any white spots on him. He is a beautiful shiny kitten. This is Alara. She's a very precocious kitty. She was the first one to stand up and walk, and I imagine she'll be the first one to crawl out of the box, since she's already tried crawling out by using her little claws on these blankets. This is Alara. She's the only female in the litter. She's very, very precocious and cute. This is Mr. Bortus. He has his legs taped to give them a little bit of strength and stability, and we also do physical therapy on his legs every day. We do massage and stretching and movement of the joints. The other two are busy nursing, so we're not going to pull them off. But this is Topa, and this is Isaac. Isaac is a black kitty with white feet like his mama, and he has a tiny little white blaze on his forehead. In bright light, you can see the stripes, the tabby stripes, in Isaac, Bortus, and Topa. But you cannot see any stripes at all on Lamar. He has no tabby stripes at all. He's solid dark black, just like his mama. This is our beautiful mama, Miss Mercer. She's named after the captain of the Orville. She has spectacular long white whiskers that really pop out on her solid black shiny fur. She has a little white mustache, and she has 4 white paws, a white bib on her chest and neck, and a white belly. So she is a classic tuxedo cat. She's very sweet. She purrs a lot. She lets you hold her, and she's a very affectionate mama kitty and a very young cat. This is probably her first litter. Bortus, come on, get up to the milk bar there. There you go, Bortus. Get in there. Everybody's gaining weight very nicely, and they're well on their way to being 1 pound before they're 4 weeks old, which is a good goal.